two major cloud hosting platforms, Vultr and Kinsta, go head-to-head. The big question, which one truly delivers for your website? On the left, Vultr, cloud compute and VPS hosting tailored for developers. On the right, Kinsta, premium managed WordPress hosting powered by Google Cloud. Let's skip the marketing speak and focus on what really matters. Each category picks up points, and by the end you'll know exactly who stands on top. The winner might just surprise you. Here's a quick mind map. We're going to break down price, performance, ease of use, security and backups, global reach and scalability and support. Yeah, we're touching all the bases so you get the whole picture. Let's kick it off with price. Vultr is all about flexibility. I'm talking pay-as-you-go VPS from as little as $5 a month. No kidding, their granular resource scaling and tons of regions and server types make it super developer-friendly. Of course, you're running things yourself, so don't expect a fancy WordPress dashboard by default. It's pretty hands-on. Now, Kinsta, on the other hand, goes for a flat managed pricing approach. Their plans start at $30 a month, which sounds steep, right? But hey, you get that 30-day money-back guarantee and free migrations. The catch, if your site blows up, costs can rise fast. So for sheer budget friendliness, Vultr definitely takes the cake here. Moving on to performance, cause speed is everything, right? Vultr has some cool specs like high-frequency CPUs and NVMe storage if you go premium, plus a global spread for solid latency. The thing is, performance depends on how you set everything up. There's no secret sauce of caching or CDN until you roll up your sleeves yourself. Now with Kinsta, oh, here's something cool. It runs totally on Google Cloud's premium tier, rocking C2 and C3D compute-optimized VMs and built-in Cloudflare integration. There's HTTP 3 support too. In our 2025 testing, it literally hit 100% uptime. You don't have to tweak anything, the stack just works. So Kinsta pretty much edges out Vultr for out-of-the-box speed and reliability. Ready for ease of use? This category's, well, kinda a landslide. Vultr is totally developer-driven. It's got a nice fast VM setup, but honestly, unless you know your way around servers and the command line, it's like, good luck. No website dashboard or wizard, just raw control. Then you look at Kinsta and it's a totally different vibe. The custom My Kinsta dashboard is ridiculously easy, automated backups, one-click staging, you don't even need to know what SSH stands for. It's clear for anyone who wants things simple or is running WordPress, Kinsta wins. Oh, and a random geeky fun fact. Kinsta is all-in on Google Cloud Premium tier networking, while Vultr's high-frequency VMs use a mashup of NVMe drives and mixed Intel or AMD CPUs. Yep, both focus on speed, just with totally different tech flavors. Let's talk security and backups. Vultr lets you install any security stack you want, and for some, that's awesome. Plus, you can pay extra for snapshot backups, but you're on your own for the config and defenses. No default DDoS protection. Kinsta though, free Cloudflare firewall and DDoS protection, automatic daily backups, and hosting that's containerized and isolated. Really, it's all baked in by default, which is huge peace of mind if you're not into fiddling with firewalls all day. So Kinsta comes out ahead for security, especially if you're not a sysadmin. Global reach and scalability, now this one's a tie, which, honestly, is kind of surprising. Vultr boasts more than 30 data centers worldwide, letting you spin up servers almost anywhere, plus it's super easy to automate stuff if you're into that. But you do have to manually link everything up for geo-distributed setups. Kinsta's built right onto Google Cloud with 37+ locations, and scaling up for traffic spikes is all handled automatically. Only catch? You're still limited to Google's own data centers for regions. Both have vast coverage and solid scalability, just with slightly different approaches. Support time. Vultr's support is barebones, really just tickets for infrastructure stuff. Anything application level or WordPress specifics, you're self-managing. Kinsta, meanwhile, this is where they shine for WordPress, 24/7 live chat with actual experts, proactive monitoring, even recovery if your site implodes. Only minor gripe is no phone support, but their chat team is seriously fast. No contest, Kinsta wins here. So if you're visual, picture this in our scoring. Vultr absolutely dominates on price and global options, but Kinsta leads hard in performance, ease of use, security, and support. The differences pop on a radar chart. So putting it all together, Vultr is perfect if you want tons of control and flexibility on a budget and you're cool with DIY. It's a dev's playground, honestly. But if you want premium managed hosting for WordPress, crave killer uptime and support, and just want things to work, Kinsta's got your back. Bottom line, pick Vultr for control and low cost, or go Kinsta if you're all about zero hassle, speed, and great support. Enjoyed this face-off? Seriously, hit thumbs up or drop a comment. Did we nail it or totally miss something? And hey, if you want more deep dives into the hosting world, stick around for more tech breakdowns coming soon.